It's Tuesday night, September 3rd on 2018, about our fourth 90-degree day in a row. We're getting ready to fire up the Champ Car motor. This 303 cubic inch motor, fairly straightforward, 9-to-1 compression. So we'll see if we can make it run. I've never monkeyed with these SU carburetors, and these things are pretty messed up. We've got the Tuesday night crew here. We're going to use the vehicle exhaust just because I want to hear what it sounds like. Have the Crossflow cylinder head on. Okay, you got water here. We need a plug right there. We need a pipe plug right in there.
Where's your plug at?
What was the RPM? Watch the RPM. Try to keep it around 2,500, okay? Okay. Set this up on 5,000.
What is that howling?
All right. And give me the thumbs up if the RPM, if the tach's working, okay?
I'm not doing anything. I'll put it right there.
Hey, it started.
It did.
Ready?
Yeah. I don't hear the fuel pump. The slides are stuck. Hold on. Try that.